Hey guys, Jason and Lee with Futureform. We're here talking about the two brand new exciting models of our Bonsai. What is the Bonsai? It's a small backyard ADU, an accessory dwelling unit. And what that means for you is more time freedom. So Lee's going to talk a little bit about the wellness.
Yeah, the Wellness Center is designed and developed for you to manage and own your own time. And what this is you not having to extend your time just to drive to the gym and wonder if the equipment that you're needing is actually taken and you can actually be on that equipment. So the Wellness Center is your own backyard center where you've got your own weights, your own sauna, your own water hydrotherapies at the times that you need it. So own your own time.
And our original is just an extension of your home. We call it the Home Plus because it's allowing you to own your time there as well. Does your mother-in-law come over and stay way longer than she's supposed to? Or does your wife ever get mad and kick you out? You got your own place to go. Sometimes you just need to go drop a dookie in peace. So if any of those sound like that's up your alley, then please click or call below and we'll be happy to get in touch with you.